Hello, Curie families. It is so great to welcome you back to school. My name is Mrs. Silkman. Here are some quick facts to help you get to know me a little bit better. I am a product of Catholic education. I went to Holy Trinity Catholic School in Lenexa and then went on to Bishop Miege for high school. I've been married for 30 years to my wonderful husband, Jeff. We met at Kansas State University, where I received my Bachelor's of Science degree. 10 years later, I received my Master's in Education at Mid-American Nazarene University. We have 3 children, a girl and 2 boys. My daughter is the oldest, and she is a registered nurse and is 29 years old. David is 27 and is a physician's assistant here in town. Andrew is 21 and in college at Kansas State University. All 3 of my children are Curie graduates. Jeff and I are super proud of our 3 children. I came to Curie of ours as a young pup just out of college 31 years ago. I know, it's forever ago, and I never left. Some fun things that will be on my mind this school year are my son David got engaged over the summer and is getting married next August, so there'll be lots of planning for a wedding. But my most exciting news is that I became a grandma to a beautiful baby girl named Nora. Isn't she precious? I look forward to meeting all of you and getting to know you and your child.